Today I'd like to talk about the way sometimes our converters will actually come out of position due to the way our carriers can sometimes be a little bit rough with our pods. Sometimes they pile too many transmissions on top of one another and they actually can crush the bottom pod, and sometimes we can have a case breakage because of that. Other times our brackets become loose and then the converter comes out of place. Now we're using a 6L80 as an example, and we have an additional bracket here to prevent it from coming all the way out. But what I'm going to show you here is the same with any other transmission that you may receive from us. And that is to make sure that the converter is all the way in. You want to turn it and push, and you need to hear this. It's fully seated, it's all the way in, and that's how you know the converter is all the way into the transmission and you won't damage the pump during install.